Today's top news headlines. Manipur observed Gandhi Jayanti as National Cleanliness Day at GM Hall. Chief Minister reassured that IRB results will be declared soon. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observed 153rd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And India records 3,375 fresh COVID cases along with 18 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in details. Manipur observed the National Cleanliness Day, paying tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, today at the Gandhi Memorial Hall. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh led others at a wreath-laying ceremony at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. During the function, Minister Govindas Konthausam, Minister Awangbao Nyumai, Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Minister Hekam Dingo, Minister Kashim Bashum, MP Rajya Sabha Laisem Basana Jauba, MLAs, other high-ranking civil and police officials were also present. At the event, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh emphasized the achievements made by the father of the nation for the country obtaining independence from the British. According to him, the non-violent movement of the father of the nation led to his current renown throughout the world. Chief Minister also noted that this year marks the 153rd anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi's birth and noted that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was introduced on October 2, 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He further said that Mahatma Gandhi's goals and beliefs are useless if we are unable to put them into practice or translate them into deeds. Many programs for the welfare of the populace are currently being implemented nationwide under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, including the construction of hygienic toilet and the provision of drinking water, he added. Taking advantage of the occasion, the Chief Minister urged everyone to refrain from disposing of rubbish in our ponds, streets, rivers and lakes and to keep our neighborhoods clean and hygienic. He also mentioned that the Imphal River in the Kangpokpi area is now being cleaned. There is necessity of upholding appropriate solid waste management at the district level and maintaining solid waste dumping facilities in each district under the watch and supervision of the district commissioners in collaboration with the local MLAs, he said.
Manipur Pumbada, Luna Thamba, Rural, water body, the marketplace, the Pataba Langsindaba, Pataba Thamdaba, the Rayagi area, the clubs in the Likais, and some way upon it. A Pagam, the dumping center, Mapanan, Toga, Tauraga, local Emile, Dugatana, Patabasinga, the Namsalaga, Karayan, Palapoganda, Esitkumba, Hajalaga, Taumana, and Togu get the Luina Yav pony. I do not get government side ke shumadu mahut ki leiba adu deputy commissioner ki leiba sinda local ki civil society sing local clubs sing matu mating biraga masigi mass awareness ama district wise solid waste management sambat pag loina na deputy commissioner sing ki kuthang da aikoi na club sing da laikai ki leiba leader sing da kari mating biraga na dumping center siam ba yabage to lamjang da khataba ta handa ba yabage do honorable MLA sing mafam digi leader sing ta na biraga Tohoningi, Madumai, Masiki, Tumana Misiki, Kudong Savalorga, Deputy Commissioner, Mayamla Yapil Tokjari.
IRB recruitment results would be announced concurrently with other recruitment results, said Chief Minister N. Biren. The announcement was made today at Thambal Sangden during the concluding ceremony of Seba Pakwara, a celebration honoring Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday and marking the birth anniversaries of Mahatma Gandhi and previous Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri today. The long-awaited IRB results would be announced along with other recruitment results. The Chief Minister responded to an inquiry from the media. He said the result can be declared earlier since the previous government was a coalition government. Some people do whatever they want and owing to certain wrongdoing. The result will be made public soon since our government is stable now. The Chief Minister added that under the influence of Modi, all government offices in Manipur will begin utilizing Khadi products. Let's keep ourselves and our surroundings clean, he continued.
Manipuri government gi lebiri office khuding da chief minister aigi yauna aigi de ayam loire khadi na vocal for local tuna madu gi pot mayam si khadi gi pot chai aigi di pada khangde kari khangde phambam khangde loina I replace tawre hanagi aduna leiriba minister MLA mayam gi ayam loina even chief secretary leiriba bureaucrat officer sing mayam gi loina tongna ba ai haughre ana numisi da ina mayam da appeal tawning ba si Mahatma Gandhi ji gi luna na thamba adagi Modi जी की अदुगुम्बा मियाम शिगा लोइना न सत्पा सबके साथ सबके विकास सबके प्रयास सबके विश्वासी की टीम वाक ओइबा मागी वाखलोन से मसिदैदा मणिपुर की मियाम ना पुन्ना सदमिनसी पुन्ना इखोइ सपोर्ट तौमिनसी.
A leader like Mahatma Gandhi who defeated the British Empire without spilling a single drop of blood is priceless, says CLP leader Okram Ibobi. The above statement was given during the observation of the 153rd Mahatma Gandhi and 118th Lal Bahadur Shastri birth anniversaries organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee at Congress Bhavan today. During the event, CLP leader O. Ibobi, MPCC President K. Megachandra, Congress MLA, former MLA and other Congress members attended the event. O. Ibobi, who spoke at the ceremony, claimed that Gandhiji believed that cleanliness is a spiritual practice and that he delivered liberation through non-violence, who promoted faith in the truth. UN recognized today as a non-violence day, he added. He further said, following his footsteps, Congress Party launched cleanliness drive all over India. As part of this, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee conduct a social service and gave floral tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, he added.
Maharaj Ninka Tamna Marumdo Lepserva Matam to the Aquina Matang Matang, Ayam Punamaxi Danaraga, Akoi Sangvidhan Siamba Matam, the Hausi Puna, Quay, Hingminagadavani, Laminagadavani, Haibatargadi, Atayati, Yam Cre, Secularism Natana, Dharamada Michan Kai Naiba, Nataba, Akoi Bharat Lariba, Mara Mara Apamba, Dharamachasavi Yai, Adu. India we are all Indian. We are all belongs to this vast country. Haiba madugi wakan tuda koi Sangvidhan da matang madugi article sing adu yam gre Bharat ki Sangvidhan da di madu sumai tawdna koi bapu ji na pamjaram base koi punamak na thabak koi na won thokna na ba na koi si koi observe tawjabani.
The District Health Society of Thoubal marked Gandhi Jayanti today by holding a social service camp at the CMO office of Thoubal and in all the district's health centers under the aegis of the district administration of Thoubal. Thoubal Chief Medical Officer Dr. Y. Nukul Singh headed the social service camp held at CMO office. In today's event, District TV Office, District Family Welfare Office, District AIDS Office, District Leprosy Office, IDSP, District Malaria Office, 10-bedded Ayush Hospital Thoubal, UPHC Thoubal, Food Safety Administration Thoubal, and staff of District Program Management Unit District Health Society Thoubal took active part in the social service camp. Trees were also planted as part of the social service camp in the CMO complex in Thoubal. Similar social service camps were also held in all the community health centers and primary health centers. Community health centers led in the Gandhi Jayanti social service camp in health and wellness centers. In honor of the 153rd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a blessing ceremony for all councillors candidates of Kakching Ward Number 8 under the Kakching Municipal Council was held today at the residence of one of the candidates and former councillor Marangthem Inakunbi. All of the councillor candidates, including Toksom Pisak, Pukrambram Robert, and previous council member Marangthem Inakunbi, sought the elders' blessings at the event by giving them simple gifts. Elderly supporters of the Indian National Congress Party from Ward Number 8 in Kakching, party leaders, and Ketri Mayum Kennedy, who ran as the INC candidate from the Kakching constituency in the Manipur Legislative Assembly election, participated in the ceremony organized by the INC Election Committee, Kakching Ningtho Lekai. Various spokespersons acknowledged Mahatma Gandhi's contributions to the nation's independence as well as the initiatives the INC has undertaken since independence for the benefit of the populace. Sawombung Sangit Samaj carried out social service today in Sawombung in honor of Gandhi Jayanti. Speaking on the matter, The recently elected Sawumbung Sangit Samaj President K.H. Samungo said that the northern side is less prosperous than the southern side. However, Manipur is well known worldwide for its arts, culture and sports. He said that Sawumbung Sangit Samaj could conserve arts and culture and create renowned artists with little help from the general population. According to Assistant Secretary Wahengbam Janmenjoy Meitei, the 58th Sawumbung Sangit Samaj Foundation Day will be observed on October 10. Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Michael, asuk thiang abji pok kai chalui no.
Ta cho langbal bethel chalubani.
Mitom mian jajingna khoi wa pangma siba juar mela do ngani ne.
अदुगुम मेला दु नती ताचो सिदे येलोमी एखोइना छिनजबा इरमदम सिगी सेबि लोंदसु याम कानागदबा अदुगुमबा लंगमन कैथिने ताचो काइदे मोइगी मैगदो लंट्रक लंथालगा लंबिगदो लोरे ताचो खुफजमने ताचो लंगम कैथिदा लेहोबा एखोइगी स्टॉल सिंगदा ताचो अदुदो लेहोबा पोचे योमदुदि काइदि सोय मार्केट उगे पंगदबा गातनीदा
तयाय आइया ngawjari nasai foreign country singi stall singdo adune haba adudagi ngasai na lerko yumne
Yare sang.
tacho asuk thenga pho kai chaluna tacho
Langban ke thin chalu. Pithribi ki tongan ba country manga haibadi Thailand, Bangladesh, Afghanistan amadi Nepal ena na India ki tongan ba state kun gi stall sing handa ki langbal ke chal sida saruk ya numidang ni matamda fajara ba mai gi komai loina na tongan ba entertainment program sing musical concert fashion show meet the star na sing ba thoram sing langbal ke chal lengbirak tuna mahau logi ho.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. As celebrated across the nation, SD Mocha BJP Manipur Pradesh observed 153rd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi by conducting social service camp at the surrounding areas of Rani Gaidenyu Park in Chingmairong and Haipo Jadonung Park in Kaisampat. President of BJP Tamenglong District Daniel Malangmai, former MSWC member Rangita Golmai, other officials of SD Mocha BJP Manipur Pradesh joined hands in the social service camp. Taking part in the camp, SD Mocha BJP Manipur Pradesh President Langjaigai Kamai Elias Mani stated that many objects that was maintained at Rani Gaidenyu Park have lost and expressed the desire of keeping a caretaker of the park by the government. The United Committee Manipur UCM continued its free medical camp on dengue prevention at Moray by fogging the surrounding areas of Moray with smoke and donating mosquito nets to the Ipam Lamdam Open Shelter Home for Girls, the Kula and Ibelay Children Home for Girls, the CDAC's Children Home for Boys, and the Human Resource Open Shelter Home for Boys located in Moray Ward number 6 and 7. UCM also praised the effort being done by the home to guide the orphan children in the proper direction and urged to those who manage children's homes to provide hygienic food and lodging to the children.
United Committee Manipur na ekoi Moray ki mafam kharada dengue laina sandopagi nini suba numit asida nasi ayuktegi horaga mafam kharada kapu matunda hojik ekoina lejeri mafam ase Ipam Lamdam haiba adugunuba children home asida ekoi हाइरिबो कांगन सिंह ने सीजन दरगा कोई अंगांग सिबु काम सिकता नबुगी वाखलोन ददि तो कोम तौरि बिसिंगना मकोई पंथुंग यौना न बहाइबदि लाइक लाइफ तंबा तो इंगांग तौ पाव सेबिरगा मकोई मी मो ओइना न उपनम जे ताइ फदे थाना लेजन तब मयाम अमा कोम तौरि बिसिंगना मकोई योगन है मकोई वाखलोन सिसु यूनाइटेड कमिटी मणिपुर कोई थागचरी मापा ओइरिबो कोम तौरि बिसिंगना मचा मंगी खल्लगा United Committee Manipur na home to
At least 27 people were killed and severely critically injured when a tractor trolley overturned and fell into a pond near a village in Kanpur district of Uttar Pradesh yesterday. While 22 persons died on spot and 5 more succumbed to the injuries during treatment in hospital. The number of fatalities may be considerably higher according to police sources, as a few additional persons' conditions have been described as grave. After attending a mundane ceremony at the Chandrika Devi temple in the neighboring Unnao district, all of the devotees who were all locals of Kota village, The ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh apiece from the PM's relief fund will be given to the deceased relatives, according to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who also offered his condolences on the loss. 174 people died and 180 people sustained injuries at a football stadium in Indonesia after fans invaded the pitch, causing a stampede, forcing cops to respond with tear gas in East Java province. A clash broke out between supporters of Javanese clubs Arema and Persebaya Surabaya after the former were defeated at the match in Malang Regency, East Java. Supporters from the losing team then invaded the pitch and police fired tear gas, triggering a stampede that led to cases of suffocation, East Java Police Chief Nico Afinta said during a press conference following the event. 2 police officers were also among the dead, and the police chief said, adding that the crash occurred when fans fled for an exit gate. Indonesian President Joko Widodo, also known as Jokowi, today ordered all league matches to be halted until investigations were completed. FIFA Soccer's international governing body extended their condolences to the families and friends of the victims, calling the incident a dark day for all involved in football and a tragedy beyond comprehension. India recorded a total of 3,375 fresh COVID cases along with 26 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,45,94,487. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 4,206 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,673. Out of the 18 fatalities, 12 were from Kerala, 3 from Maharashtra, and 1 each from Odisha, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. Taking the Delhi positivity rate at 1.28%, the total active cases has declined to 37,444 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.73% as per the data. According to the Union Health Ministry, 218.75 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Manipur observed Gandhi Jayanti as National Cleanliness Day at GM Hall. Chief Minister reassured that IRB results will be declared soon. Birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And India reports 3,375 fresh COVID cases along with 18 fatalities due to the infection in past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.